Hello. We are recording. So today is Saturday, our free day. We not working day, and usually Saturday and Sunday we have some fun. But this Saturday, Nikki is a little bit ill. He catch the cold few days ago, probably. And today, the forecast warn you about the strong,
very strong
wind here in Gdansk.
Gdansk is very windy, but today is the strongest wind since we've been here.
How 34 per hour?
34 right now. It's gonna be 39 kilometers per hour later.
39?
Yeah.
Wow. So
show them your drawing.
Yeah, later.
Maybe later, okay.
And yeah, we will see what will we do today. We will not stay at home.
No. We could go to the Frenchman's.
Yeah, we will see. Stay tuned. Our outfits for windy weather. I am wearing the raincoat what I bought here in one second-hand store, and under I wear a shirt and merino wool sweater. Also I bought it here. And what did you wear?
So it's gonna be windy, not really cold, but it's gonna be windy. So I'm wearing my leather jacket, and under that I'm wearing my leather vest and my army shirt, caterpillar, very nice and durable. And you need something to block the wind, and leather is the best material for blocking wind.
And also this material, the raincoat material.
Yeah, but that's primarily for blocking water.
Yeah, but yes. Yeah. So the moment of the truth.
Okay. This is not so bad.
Yeah. Now it is okay.
But
we will see.
Yeah, the forecast says 39 kilometers per hour, so
yeah, maybe later. We will see. We are here in our first stop, coffee stop. We are here in Chocoladny Mlyn. We've been there a lot of times. We've been here a lot of times, and we really like the ambient. We like the coffee. We like chocolates, everything. We like everything here. And yeah, what will you say about the wind? Malo je puhalo. Let me show the image. I mean, I drew this and in my sketchbook, and this one. And this is based on the windiest days here in Gdansk. But today it's
very windy.
Very windy. It's like a very strong wind.
No. It's also a lot of dust in the air, gets your eyes. You can't really hear. You just have conversations on the street. Everyone's hiding and going inside, and on our free day,
Yeah.
We actually got a text from the Polish weather service warning us to stay inside.
Yes.
And still we went out because, well, if we stay inside for one more day, I think we're gonna go crazy.
Yeah,
So-
because we stay. No, yesterday we didn't stay, but before that day,
Yeah, no.
because Nikki it's ill.
Yeah. But I'm not like proper sick where I sort of get knocked out and have no will to do anything. I'm like stupid sick where I'm just bored all the time.
Yeah. So we will have a lot of stops today, I think.
Oh yeah. There's no way around it.
Yeah. So we've been in several stops. We didn't film. Actually, we've been in art supply store to buy some color pencils for me, for my new hobby. And we've been at home.
Yeah.
So because we bought some vegetables and some fruits and nuts for
And art supplies.
yes I told that. And we've been at home. Also we need to take our vitamins,
Oh yeah.
and now we again on the streets, and
Now we're
it's
going to the winter stores.
poofing.
Yeah, it's poofing, yeah.
Malo je puhalo.
Yeah.
And we are going to the vintage store. Yeah, we will probably don't buy anything, but
You know, when we're selling and people come and don't buy anything, we don't like them. But now we're doing it to people.
yeah,
Not very nice of us, huh?
it's a maftan.
Muftach.
Maftach. How do you translate maftach?
There's no way to translate that level of contempt in an English
The
word.
people who just going around the stores and don't buy
Trousers, but
trousers.
no, it's like no English word captures the level of contempt. I think that the only other language which has a necessary word is like Cantonese or something. You know, the Chinese hate that.
So learn Macedonian name for that, maftach.
People who go into your store or to your stand, check out things,
Everything, check out everything.
and don't buy anything.
Yeah.
They just give you agita and no profit.
Yes.
I hate the mafia.
Yeah. So this is a vintage for life. Vintage forever, Nico. Forever.
I'm ready for my close-up, Mr. DeMille.
So this is silk.
Oh yeah, silk tie. I really like the color. They're very subtle.
Yeah. Very nice.
See if I still remember how to tie a tie. Yeah, with the price tag still. I haven't been out of practice for so long. Let's see.
So this is vintage for sale, right?
Yes. This is, how much does this cost actually? Oh, it ended up in the knot. 45 zloty. How much is that? 48 is
Vintage
10.
for forever.
Oh yeah, so this store is called Vintage Forever.
How much? 40?
45 zloty.
Like 10 euros.
Less than 10. I think 48 zloty is 10 euro. This is actually pretty good. It looks good on me with the incomplete knot. Yeah.
It's the same things what you already have.
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah.
So what's wrong with that? I know my style. I know what I want. When it's the same woman for 14 years, nobody complains. I trust you to sail me across the seas. You're a very good navigator. Mon capitan, mon capitan. Bam, 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 bam.
I love this coat. Love it.
No. It's a shame we don't really have where to wear it, I think. We don't go out much.
Very nice.
But look at that, look at those sleeves. And with your new hat,
With the sails.
sailor hat, yeah.
Sailor, but this is I think children's hat.
Hey, maybe you'll wear my hat. Okay.
Yeah. Too much people.
Oh yeah.
We usually don't like places where a lot of tourists go. But here, like the local said, the whole year are
Yeah.
vrije toeristen.
There's just so many tourists.
So many tourists all year.
They said in the summer there's 10 times more people, which I cannot imagine. 10 times more than this. That's insane. I think they're gonna destroy the bridge or something.
Yeah. Look at that. Wow. Too many people. Too many people.
That's one thing that's like I have come to dislike about Gdansk, that it's too many tourists and they're like distorting the local economy. It's all like tourism oriented shops. So it's not not that it's a bad city, but
But I think maybe just in Old Town. Maybe not in other parts of the city.
Yeah. I think you're right.
But I put one baseball cap from these souvenir shops. I mean, I really liked this cap, and it was not too expensive. It was like 10 euros or more than
50.
50? Yeah, maybe, yeah. But pigeon? Pigeon?
Actually, no, that's a dove.
Did you call this pot like for soup?
I think it's a soup bowl, but it's a peculiar shape.
So what we are here in a French restaurant. The name
Bistro.
Bistro, yeah.
À la française.
À la française.
Yeah.
And we've been here just for coffee and croissants, right?
Yeah.
Croissants are very good. I mean,
Best croissants in Gdansk.
yeah,
I mean,
yeah.
right.
And now you order a French soup, right?
I love French soup.
Yeah.
It's probably my favorite soup. And the problem is the best French soup I ever ate was your French soup.
I don't know to make
French onion soup, right? But it takes like 4 hours to make, so...
I mean, more, but I'm not sure. So,
but this smells amazing.
yeah, so
I love
try it.
It's still hot.
A little bit.
Also, I need the tissue because I have a mustache.
Yeah.
And it's always dangerous when you're eating soup with a mustache. It's hot. It's still hot. But it's really good. Oh, look, it's got egg.
Egg or cheese?
I think that's actually cheese. Yeah, that's cheese.
And parsley, I see the parsley, or what is that? Или праска какая-то?
Oh, it's parsley, young onion, and baguette. Like French soup is supposed to be.
Yeah. Okay, so...
It's still very hot, but when it cools down a little, I'll tell you how good it is.
Okay. So you eating soup, I drinking wine, and we're waiting for our galettes.
Oh yeah, we're gonna eat galettes.
Yeah.
So, what kind of soup is that?
This is white soup.
Is it?
Бистра, как се вика?
Oh, it's clear soup.
Clear white soup.
Looks delicious.
Let me try.
No spoon?
This soup is like supposed to eat like this drink.
Hey, look at that chicken behind you. Beer drinking chicken. So how do you like your soup?
Good soup.
Excellent soup. French grape soup.
So our galettes are arrived. They look very tasty.
Oof, look at this. Look.
You love to do that, right?
Yes.
I know. How old are you?
12.
Okay.
Also, so this is a Breton specialty, and you can find them here in à la Française, because the boss of this establishment, the owner, he's Breton, right? From Brittany, the region of France. And they also have lots of Breton products, for example, artisanal cider. And I don't think we're gonna have time to try this while we're in Gdansk.
No, but we will try the cheese and probably maybe the pate.
Probably, yeah. Maybe we can get the rabbit pate.
Rabbit?
Yeah, they have rabbit, they have duck. It's really good, actually.
Rabbit?
Yes, rabbit.
Yeah, I know what rabbit is, but rabbit pate? Really?
Yes. Yes, you can eat rabbits. You didn't know?
I know.
Okay. And yeah, so this is a very interesting place. It's not only a bistro, it's also a deli, so you can buy and take home. And that's what we're gonna do when we're done here. We're gonna buy some cheese, we're gonna buy some meat. We're gonna take it home.
For our hedonism Sunday.
Viva la hedonismus.
If you can drink tomorrow.
I can always hedonism.
I don't know. How did you like your galette? Yeah, excellent. They are very nice.
Belly is very happy.
I mean, they. I didn't feel stuffed. I feel very good, and I'm full. I mean, very good. Very quality ingredients and very well prepared food.
The dough is rye. It's less just stuffing, right?
Yeah.
But it's also got, like, yours had spinach and mine had mincemeat. It's very filling, actually.
Like a spinach and goat cheese and sausages, I think. Yeah, but it was very good. And we also grabbed something for our hedonism Sunday, right?
Oh yeah.
We grabbed some cheese and
so this is what did we get? This is Saint Marcelin cheese. We're gonna bake it in the oven. And
with garlic, right?
Yeah, with garlic and maybe rosemary if we find.
Yeah, maybe.
And well, I cannot reach it, but we also found Breton pashtet, Breton pate.
Where is it?
I don't know. You ate it?
Maybe.
You know, this is very difficult. Ah, there you go. This is really good. It's you can see a lot more fat and pieces of meat than just pate, so it's
Yes,
It's gonna be a very good hedonism.
Yeah.
Don't record the cops, come on.
and tomorrow we will grab baguette from this place, the French bistro, because they work tomorrow too, in Sunday I mean, till 6 o'clock, right? So we want to buy a fresh baguette, so we will grab that tomorrow.
But we're gonna go early because that's when you get the best baguettes.
Earlier.
Yeah, so that baguettes don't run out.
Okay, so
Okay.
where we go now?
I'm gonna get a coffee.
Okay, let's go. So we are here in Gnome Cafe. Another stop today, and probably after this we will go home, right? Because Nikki is exhausted of exploring the city today. I think he didn't sleep well yesterday because of his illness, or because you sleep through the day. Yes, and it's windy outside, and we are here eating cheesecake, and I'm drinking a wine, but
I have to satisfy myself in other ways.
with coffee.
Scratching this gnome. You should scratch this gnome.
Yeah.
Look how it's like kiwi.
But you don't like kiwi.
I like the texture.
So yeah, it's enough for today, right? Maybe, yeah. So we will going home from here and sleeping. Probably.
Maybe not sleeping, but definitely vegetating.
Dreamom. Kako ќе преведеш dreamom?
Vegetating.
Vegetating? Dreamom?
Doing nothing. Vegging out.
На италиански како ќе dolce far niente.
Dolce far niente.
Yes. Dolce far niente.
Beauty of doing nothing.